Hello everyone, let's learn how to add music Instagram Notes. Notes is a simplified Instagram status feature, only visible in the chat section. Until now, users were only allowed to share text and emojis as notes, but now the platform allows users to share popular songs and audio bits from the platform's vast music library, and I will show you how you can do that. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure your Instagram app updated. If is not, go on Play Store or App Store and update app. When you do that, open an Instagram app on your device. After that, click on chat icon in top right corner of the screen to go on chats. Now you can see someone already post music in the notes, and if you want to post like them, go to create a notes. Now you can see this little music icon in bottom of your profile icon and click on it. On this menu have all music. You can search for song you want or you can find song and suggested. I will go to add this second One Beautiful Day by Jonathan Roy. Now Instagram recommended you most popular part of song, but you can edit on part you won't. Also you can add a text, to people can see your message, and when you finish go on share, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.